So now that we've been able to confirm that our website is secure, and you can see in this area, we need to go back to WordPress and begin to install the theme to build our website. So just click here. In case you're logged out of WordPress, you have to log in again, but I'm not logged out, so I'll just click on dashboard and to take me here. So you want to install a free theme that will help us to build a website. Many themes exist on the internet. If you want to buy some premium themes, you can go to Theme Forest and explore many WordPress themes that can help you to build a website, right? But for us, we want to use a free theme, and this free theme is perfect and beginner friendly. And of course, we only need this blog to make money with AdSense and other means, so we need a free theme. So to get a free theme, we need to go to Appearance and click on Themes. So if you have a theme that you've purchased from somewhere like Theme Forest and the rest of them, you can just go ahead, because when you buy from Theme Forest, if you buy from Theme Forest, you probably need to download the theme and then bring it here and add new theme. But in this case, we don't want to add new theme. We want to use one of the free available themes. There is a theme here, 2021, 2023 and 2022. All of them are themes. Just to explain to you what a theme is, a theme is more like a template of a pre-built site that helps you to import it into your site and make the site look like that site. So it helps you to have a website that the developers have already developed, beautifully looking, and then you use it and customize it to what you want. Because I assume that you're not a developer and you cannot go from the scratch to develop a theme for yourself and build a website from the scratch. It takes a really long time to achieve this, and you need to do a lot of coding and all of that. But you don't need all of that coding knowledge in case you're not one. All you need to do is to buy a theme or get a free theme that is recommended for AdSense. And in this tutorial, we're going to use a theme called Astra. So you just click on Add New. If you have a theme, you upload it. If you don't have a theme, you click here. So we already have some themes here pre-installed, but we don't want to use all these themes. So we just click on Astra and search for Astra. So yeah, this is what we are going to use, Astra theme. So we'll install this theme and wait for it to install. Oops, you may notice this small glitch. Just click here to take it away, don't panic, and come to this area and move up a bit. Click on try again. Yeah, it should work this time. Installation is ongoing now, so you give it some time, and once it's done installing, you're going to know. So it's unpacking the package. The theme comes with different package, so you need to give it some time. I'll be right back. All right, so we've installed the theme, and if you come to this theme area, Astra is here. In case you get confused, just go back to Appearance, go to Themes, and you will see your theme here. So the next thing to do is to activate the theme. And boom, your theme has been activated, right? You may want to customize the theme and all of that. Thank you for installing Astra. Astra has starter templates. The next thing to do now, after installing the theme, is to look at the theme starter template. So it's important to know that Astra is like a company that provides services of themes. They give you the opportunity to use their themes. Some of them are paid, some of them are free, but they have starter templates. These starter templates mean templates that you can use out of the app Astra website or bundle of themes that they have. So you can choose each of these templates and use them based on what you want, right? So you can click on starter templates. So we are on Astra website. Just take this out. We want to see, you're going to see a range of themes on the website. Beautiful themes. All of these are themes that represent what your website can look like if you install them, right? Most of them are paid, so if you see the premium, it means they are paid. If you see free, it means they are free. But we want to build a blog, and so because we want to build a blog, we want a blog like theme, at least something that will help us build a blog that is Google AdSense and of course other ad network compliant. So you can go to all, or just come here to search and search for blog. Search for blog. Once you search for blog, it's going to filter out themes that you can use for your blog. So if you see this theme is free, you can do a live preview and look at it. This is how your website will look like if you use this theme, right? We can close that and check another one. This is how your website will look like if we preview this. These are all demos. They are not real websites, but we can use these themes to help us quickly build our website. We import them to our website and build our website. But I like one theme here called the Childcare Expert. It's a free theme, and I would like us to preview this theme and see how it looks like. Yeah, boom. This theme makes sense, and I think it's sweet for a blog, right? So this is the theme we will use for our blog. We just customize it and do the needful. So what are we going to do? We'll go back to WordPress and click on Get Started. We're activating the starter template so that we can get access to a range of templates, the ones we saw on our Astra website, inside of WordPress, so that we can work from there and continue. Sometimes you see this error code. Take this out. Installation failed. Maybe you should try again. So just try to install again. What's happening here? Let's reload this. So let's see what the problem is with this team. Yes, so the starter templates have been activated anyway, regardless of what's happening there. So it's saying welcome to starter templates. You can as well go to appearance and go to, if you feel confused at any point in time and you want to access your team again, go to appearance and go to teams, just to know that sometimes these things will just misbehave, but you just have to reload and probably come back to your WordPress dashboard, and maybe they have activated the background. So just go to appearance and go to teams and go to starter templates. Good. So if you're a beginner, you would like to watch this first video and see what they're talking about, but I don't want to watch this video. You can watch this video if you want. I'll just go to build your website to skip this video. And then there is something very important that we need to install. We need to install a plugin that will help us to customize the template, the theme that we've installed. And this is called a page builder, right? I told you earlier on that plugins help you to perform specific tasks or to solve particular problems in WordPress, and a page builder is one of them. In fact, a page builder is what's going to help you to customize your pages. It makes it easy for you to be able to change your website or change the WordPress theme that you've installed, customize it and make it look beautiful based on what you want. And of course, this depends on your level of skill and expertise, but we have many page builders in the market, or there are many page builders for WordPress. One of the most popular one is Elementor. There's also Blog Editor, there's Beaver, and other ones like Thrive Architect and all of that. But today we are going to go with Elementor because it's the recommended page builder for Astra team. So we'll install this. And that's good. Now you remember that when we went to Astra site, we wanted to use the childcare expert team, childcare block team. So inside WordPress, we will look for childcare block team. So just type blog instead, and to take us to show us all the blog themes. So this is the childcare. Please don't be confused, right? This is Astra official website that has all the themes, but we need to work with this inside WordPress. So once here, this is our WordPress area. I don't want you to get confused, please. This is the theme we want to use. We've previewed the theme before. We can just click on it now. Yeah, so we're going to use this, and you can upload a side logo here, something like this. This is a side logo. I'm going to do this very soon. I'll show you how to do it in case you don't know how to do it with Canva. But well, we don't have a logo yet, so we'll just skip this and continue. You want to change the colors of this website. Are you not good with what's here? These are default colors. You can decide to change this to these or probably this. It depends on what you want. Or this. I think I like this or this. Don't just worry yourself too much about what's there, but just know that when you change this is what it's going to look like. If you change it to this is what it's going to look like. If you change it to this is what it's going to look like. and if you change it to this is what it's going to look like. So maybe I will just go with the default color. And you want to change your font. Which font do you want to use? Maybe this is the default font for the free package, but there are a lot of fonts here. You can change these. As you're changing, you're seeing the changes real time, and these or this, right? So I'll just go with something simple. This isn't bad, so let's click on continue. So here they're probably wanting to ask few questions about your work email. Just give them your email. You want to tell them your level of expertise. I am a beginner, intermediate, or expert. They want to know how much knowledge you have with building websites. So you don't worry about this. If you're a beginner, just say you're a beginner, it's better. If you're intermediate, you say intermediate. So we will assume that you're a beginner, so that they will customize the journey for a beginner. Just click on beginner, and I am building a website for myself or client. You can say myself or my company, right? I agree to receive newsletters. Do you want to receive newsletters from Astra? It is up to you, but I want to receive newsletters, maybe. So then there are other options that you need to do. So there are advanced options. You import customizer setting, import widgets, install a required plugin. So there are other required plugins that you have to install. Just leave this area like this and submit and build my website. So this is going to install that theme into your website or into your WordPress, so that you have that theme as your pre-built website, and it's going to help us to move forward very fast. So we'll just allow this to install for some time. You may experience this issue from time to time. I don't know why this is coming up, but you just try it again. Yeah, congratulations. Your website is ready, and it took just 1.7 minutes to build. I'm not sure that's true, because they had to take us, you want to watch this video if you want, right? But I don't want to watch that video. I've watched it a couple of times. So I'll just go to view your website. Boom. So this is what your website looks like now, right? Isn't this beautiful? This is what your website looks like now, and you can see what I was talking about. These are the pages. You have home, you have blog, you have babies. So babies, it means that you're probably this is a site for babies, sensory play, and the contact if they want to contact you, and of course if they want to book appointment with you. But we want to customize this website to our own. So there are a couple of things we will do to customize this website so that it becomes our own, and we will take out all of the things that does not make it look like our own. We'll change these babies, we'll change this sensory play, we'll probably leave this contact, we'll change this and change a couple of things here, and also customize this appointment button, so that if people want to contact us, we'll call it something else also. If people want to contact us or book an appointment with us, if that's the case with your website, they can do so easily. And here you also have featured articles here on your blog, so that when you publish articles on the blog section, when people come to the home page, they can see your blog, right? But I think this makes sense. Yeah, this makes sense. This is what your blog will look like, and it's free. So in the next video, we will begin to customize our blog.